Welcome to Four Moms for Success. Your host for tonight, Mayfloor, Maribel, Geraldine, and Roxanne.
Oh, hello, everyone. We are live. I miss you, ladies.
I miss
Miss
you all too.
miss you too.
But
Miss you
we are live
all.
tonight. Welcome to Four Moms for Success. This is May Santa Ana, based here po sa Chicago, originally from Pangasinan, Philippines. I am a nurse by profession. I am a mom of three because I will include this baby girl in here. And of course, a proud digital business owner. Go ahead, Sis Roxanne.
Thank you, Sis May. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I'm Roxanne from Seattle, Washington, originally from the Philippines, and I'm a mom, a wife, a property accountant by profession, and a proud digital business owner. Go ahead, Sis Belle.
Yes, hello mga sis. Happy Sunday, everyone. It's almost the beginning of the week again. I miss you last time. Sis Jerlene, Sis Roxanne, Sis Mayflower, thank you for being with us again tonight. And good evening, good morning, good afternoon. My name is Maribel Palarca, and I am the face behind Maribel and Palarca business page, a mom of two, a physical therapist, and of course, a digital entrepreneur originally from Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. And we are now presently residing here in Louisiana, USA. Sis Jerlene Arbunso.
Thank you, sis. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Here we are again, and my name is Geraldine Carrera. I'm originally from Bacolod City, Philippines, now residing in North Carolina, USA. I'm a registered nurse by profession, a mom of two, and of course, a proud nursepreneur. Go back to you, Sis May.
Yes, before I will start another a talk in here, I would like to say thank you for the 3 million viewers right now. Yay! So, yes, for tonight, before I will say the topic that we will discuss. Oh, hello, Coach Jonathan. Happy Sunday. Thank you for tuning in with us. So, for Tuesday and Thursday, we will have a no cost information. If you are interested in what really, or maybe curious on how you can start an online business, we are here. You can tap each one of us, whoever you resonate with, and we will guide you on how you can start your digital business by registering your name and email address on our website here in order for you to avail our no cost webinar, and that is limited seats. So tap in and we will welcome you in that particular webinar that we have. So for tonight, our discussion will be a common questions that our customers or our inquiries always ask us. And most of them, it's about the curiosity of what is really the business all about. Are we gonna sell, or are we a salesperson? Are we have a product to sell? Are we legit? Or are why is it that everyone can do this business even though in different countries? So those are the particular topics that we are going to discuss for tonight. And our first um, candidate here. Medyo seryoso na ako. So I will make you a little bit funny thing. So our first question here, and Sis Roxanne will answer, and I will show this particular question.
Thank you, Sis May. One of the common questions that we get is, what is an online business? This online business is like business in the box. You have everything you need to start your business, no business experience needed. Everything will be provided for you once you pay the 149, had a coaching call, had the pre-coaching videos to see the full picture of the business, and you're ready to start your own business, and ready to you already pick your startup package, how you wanna start your business, because you can start small and then you can um, upgrade later if you need it. And then we provide the mentorship coaching. We have a global community of 270,000 members that are always ready to help you and guide you with your journey. It has a low startup cost compared to other businesses, the traditional businesses. It's like a franchise too, but compared to like Jollibee, like you have to spend more than how many millions before to franchise one. Unlike this one, you can start up with a low startup cost. It has a low overhead as well because you will start your own business. You are the only one when you start. So it's up to you how you want to run your business because this is very flexible to any busy working parents, anyone that are working multiple jobs. You can start your business in a couple weeks. So it's up to you how you want to how soon you want to start your funnel and everything. It's running with automation. That's why it's perfect for any busy individuals because you can do it at your own time. Between 30 to 2 hours per day that you can spare and give to your business. And this is not an overnight success. So you need to build it. It's like planting a seed. You have to plant a seed, take care of it. You have to wait for the tree before you harvest. So you need some patience, dedication, be resilient, and persistent in this business. But you don't need to worry because you will never be alone. We are all here to guide you. So if you are interested, feel free to reach to any one of us, and we'll be happy to answer any of the questions. And Sis Bell will be answer the next common question. Thank you.
Yes, the next common question. But before Sis Bell will answer that, I would like to say this business has a proven system. So you don't have to build it on this in a scratch because we already proved that this business is really working. Thousands of people are already doing it. And it's just a way of your consistency and of course dedication in starting this business, and that will be it will work as long as you are consistent in showing, in learning, in and being coachable in starting this business. Next, Sis Bell, this is gonna be your question. Do you sell any products, Sis Bell?
All right, good question. That's a very common questions because, but the question is like, do we sell products or what do we sell? So what do we actually sell? So let's clear this up because this is where a lot of people get confused because when people hear online business, the first thing that they usually think is what they have to sell a product, right? They have to keep an inventory. They have to message all the friends. They have to do home parties. That's why they usually knock on everybody's door. Do I have to become a salesperson? No, our answer is no. We don't do that. So what we usually or typically offer is not just it's not just random products that you have to push people to buy it. You have to buy it every month and to buy this every month because you need to be part of to maintain your either rank. That's what they call rank in the community or in the company. But what we offer is complete online business system. That's what we do. So when you started this business, that's the first thing that you have to learn, how to go through this complete online proven business system that we have. And that's the reason why everything that you do is behind it's in the background. That's the reason why you're able to do your full-time job. That's even you have this business, or that's the reason why you still go on vacation with your family because of this online system that we have. And that's what we are trying to introduce to everybody. So think of it as like a franchise style business model, but online and without the huge traditional franchise fees. According to Sis Roxanne, she said it's unlike you do franchise with Jollibee, you have to pay millions of dollars or millions of pesos to have that franchise fees. But with this, it's we are partnered with a very, very dependable company. That's why we call that a franchise fee with franchise style business model without a very traditional high franchise fees. So inside the system that we are introducing to everybody who wants to join this business, you get access to your own website, automation, step-by-step training, mentorship, coaching, and supportive global community. That's why, as what Sis Roxanne said, when you start this business, when you pay your $149, that already includes everything that you get in that system, that whole system itself. Like if you start your own business from scratch, you might be spending thousands of dollars, but with our system, only have to pay 149. So yes, and also we also have a high ticket product partnership, right, in place. That's why let's be honest about, that's how we get our compensation. So, but here's the difference. You don't have to figure out what to sell from scratch, because we already have a company. We are already affiliated to big companies. So you don't have to start like, I'm going to start this business, so what am I going to sell? So you don't have to do that. You don't have to create the product, right? You don't have to stock inventory, because the system will do that for you. You don't have to pressure your family and friends. You don't have to host home parties. Let's have a party. Let's have a lechon. Spend money for lechons. Spend money for barbecue and stuff like that, just to host, just for have to have sales, which is not. We're not doing that. And of course, you are guided through the process. So you also get to choose a product package that makes sense for your own household, your own needs, and your own goals. So we don't push you to go get this product and stuff like that, which you think are not needed by you and your family. These products are for your personal use only. And that matters, because people don't need more confusion, right? So you need a clear path, you need support, you need a system that can plug into while you're still working your job, raising your kids, or managing your real life. That's why this is what makes it different from the other online business that you see. Okay, we don't sell like traditional selling. We don't do that. There is a system that will do that for you. And I assure you, the company that we are affiliated with have been here for years. And it is a very well known and a company with integrity. So you won't get wrong with this. And those products that you purchase are only for personal use. It's not for you to sell to other people. We don't do that. So this is in honesty and real talk. This is how our company works. So we don't sell product in the traditional way, right? Okay.
Yes, we don't sell products in a traditional way, because that's one of the dilemma sometimes, because they thought that when they start this kind of business, they will just gonna go door to door, or as Sis Bell said, create a party in order for you to invite your friends and family to be there and discuss these things. No, that is in place with the system that we are doing, the proven system that we are using. And that's what I love in this business, because I don't have to stock products in my garage or in my sala, in my living room. And the other one is, you don't have to take a quota, because most of the businesses that I've known, you have to have at least monthly quota to reach that. In this particular business, we don't do that. And one more thing is, when you start this particular business, you set your goals. It's up to you on how you can start small. Just like Sis Roxanne said, you can start in the beginning small, and then you can scale up. So no pushing, no what they call this one, no convincing. We don't do that. What we do here is to educate what you can have, you, and also to give you the ability to choose what you want in this particular business, and of course the option for you to reach the success and the goals that you want in your dreams. There you go, Sis Jerlene. Sis Jerlene, you'll be the last today to talk. So you will be the one we will wrap up this conversation today. Okay, the next question for Sis Jerlene is this one.
All right.
Why,
Oh, I was like,
why
who,
are people joining? Sorry, Sister Lynn. Why are people joining this business from different countries? Why nga ba?
All right. So, hello again, everyone. So, a lot of people are joining this business worldwide because that's another advantage of our business because we are worldwide. You know, the opportunities are no longer limited to one location, and with the internet connection, people from different backgrounds and professionals can learn the same skills. Build online business and connect with the global community that we have all while working from wherever you are, so like in nursing field, we have like travel nurses, right? So they go places, some of them like doing international. So if you do this business, it's not just that you are stuck in one location, because like the traditional business, like you open something, uh you're just gonna be like licensed to do it your business in that certain location. But with our business, we are worldwide. One of my mentor, when I started this business, he was based in the Philippines, and then he moved here to the United States. So he just brought this business with him. All you have to do is just to like change, your primary address. So that's the beauty of this business because you are not stuck wherever you are. Like let's say in the United States, you only can do it in United States. No, you can do it wherever you are in the world. We have like um, a lot of Canada, United States, UK, um, Middle East, so we are not limited to just one country. And then the
Yeah,
most of the thing,
29 countries, is 29
29
countries.
countries, yeah. So we are expanding. I think when I started, it was used to be like 26 countries with 44 locations worldwide. So now, thank you, Sisbel. Now it's 29 countries. So can you imagine? You don't have to worry about like, oh, I'm in the United States right now. Maybe in 2 years, I'm going to be moving back to the Philippines for good. You can bring this business. And then that's why most people are joining this business because it's because of the flexibility, that you can bring it wherever you are. And then of course the additional sources of income that you can do at home. We don't have our own location that we stayed. We do it whenever we're on vacation, wherever if you're at home, even if you're at work. Most of the time when I'm on my break, I answer inquiries or I do something like watch the replay of the some of the seminars that we have. And we are thankful for the technology that brought us to do this business because with the technology that we have, we can connect, we can learn, and we can do anything like across country. So yeah, that's the reason why most of the people are joining this digital particular business that we have because of the flexibility it brings.
Yes, thank you for that answer, Sis Jerlene. And of course, we don't have the local location because what we are using in here is the social media platform. That's why most of the people who see us and resonate with our stories, and as we know that what we are giving here is a value of our story, the value of learning, and the value of having something along the side with your career. So that's why when they resonate with our stories, they will inquire with us. So some of them are in different countries, just like Philippines, USA, UK, or the European countries, and that particular area, Nigeria. We have those particular business partners of us, and we are able to connect with them, and we are able to guide them through this system that we are using because we are in the online space. So that's the difference of having a traditional and an online business. So now I will just gonna a little bit discuss about the legitimacy of this business. We are legitimate business. In the US, we file a form which is 1099 NEC. That's what we are receiving here in the United States. And in Canada, they have the T4. In the Philippines, andyan po yung BIR. And it depends on which country you are in, and you will receive those particular forms annually in order for you to submit it. Dito sa United States, we call IRS, right? So those things are, you will know that this business is legitimate because all the incentives that we are getting, it is actually, we have a receipt. Yun ba yung sabihin? We have a receipt that we can give it to the revenue. So that particular area, you don't have to worry about that because you can also research that this business is legitimate and registered. So yun po. Oh, we have 3 viewers right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Drop in your name or your comments, and thank you for being with us. I know it's Sunday, it's a family day, but as we said, we have like ang tawag nun, the schedule that we have in here is not, it's not fixed. So whatever the availability of each one of us, availability, sinabubulol na ako. It's one of us will go there. That's how also our business is. So if you are not here, your business is still working because we have the automation system in the background. Kaya kung minsan, nagugulat na lang po kami habang kami nagtratrabaho, may marireceive po kaming mga email or text message, somebody is congratulating you. You have the email is saying that somebody started this business with you. So you're growing without you knowing. So the only thing is to be consistent, to be determined that you want this particular business and the goals that you want in your dreams will be able to attain. And of course, you want to be coachable. And learning is continuous learning, as sabi nga nila. When you stop learning, nothing will happen to you. So keep learning, being coachable, and do this business. Alam ko maraming nagsasabi, it's not working, but it's only depend on you. If you work on it, it will happen. But if you will put this business as a hobby, nothing will happen. Because as we know, business is a business. Business cannot work without your action. Yun po. There you go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anything else?
May ano pa si Sis Jinky.
Oh,
my
Sis Jinky. Oh, Sis Jinky. Yay! Congratulations,
Yeah.
Jinky.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Yay! Wow.
Yeah, she started from Dubai, and then when she went home to the Philippines, she brought the business with her. So that's how portable our business is.
Wow.
No sweats.
Yes.
No,
Yes,
you don't have to carry anything. All you do is just carry your laptop with you and stuff like that, and everything. Yeah, and everything is, that's it. So portable, huh? You don't have to bring the whole store.
Your location. You don't have to worry about the location again in the other place or in another country because this business you can carry. Doable.
We're just talking about you, Ate Jinky. I told Sis Beth to tell you congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's from the Philippines, but her new business partner is from New Zealand, right?
Yeah, she
Australia?
also has a,
Australia.
no, in Australia, yeah.
Sis Nemeline is from New Zealand. Congratulations, Sis Nemeline.
Yes.
And also Sis Rose has also expanded
Miss
somewhere
Rose.
else. So this business is really booming. It's just an action of you, your determination, your consistency showing up in this business because as we all know, social media is our location, and without you in this particular platform, they won't know you.
Yeah.
But there's a lot way on how you can be part in posting in the social media. And
Our business is like mushroom. It
Yes.
just like it just pop all over the place. We just wake up.
Thank you, Sis.
Sis May, yes.
Yeah, that's why. Okie dokie. It's
All right.
24 minutes and we will wrap it this particular platform that we have. Thank you again, everyone. Thank you, Sis Jinky. Thank you, Coach Jan. Thank you, everyone. We have 4 viewers until now. I'm so happy. But we will wrap this one. And if you will able to see this particular discussions that we have in a replay, and you think that you know somebody in this particular the 4 months here, tap them and check. It's a no cost information, and it's a learning for you. There you go. Bye bye,
Yes.
everyone. God bless.
Yes, have a great week.
Enjoy your week, new week, your week 10.
Yes.